around, everyone. Welcome to this magical kingdom.
It's Magic Kingdom Day!
It's Magic Kingdom Day!
Woo!
We made it. We're in Magic Kingdom.
We're in! They let us in.
And the time is?
What
time is it?
It is 8:45.
So that means we had breakfast, we took the bus over, we went through security and the ticket gate.
Got a tight hour and 15.
And the park's technically not even open yet.
Now, we're in the midst of a grand celebration here at the Magic Kingdom. So to welcome you all today, it's Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse.
Well, hi everybody! Oh gosh, it sure is great to see so many good friends. So, are you excited to be here today? Well, we just had to come and give you a great big welcome! It's time for just a little bit of magic.
Everyone said the magic words. On the count of three, we're all going to say, bibbidi, bobbidi, boo. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bibbidi, bobbidi,
Rope drop was so cool.
Yeah, it was really neat.
The fireworks were such a great experience.
I wish my shift started with fireworks.
Mine too. It's hot.
Very hot.
So check the app and it's an 80-minute wait right now. So fingers crossed it's not actually an 80-minute wait because we've already been in line for 20 minutes and we'll see how it goes. Okay, we're finally here. We're about to get on.
Yeah.
We made it. All right, what's the time? What time is it?
9:35.
Okay, so 35 minutes since the park opened. Not bad. All right, final thoughts. I'm so glad we went.
Yeah.
Snow White is one of my favorite movies. Would not wait 2 or 3 hours for it. No.
Absolutely not.
But the 30-minute wait right at rope drop or with the fireworks, I would definitely go then.
Yeah.
So cute. Time check, it's 10:45 and we've been waiting in Peter Pan now for almost a half hour. Woo! How you doing?
Line stuff.
Yeah, lighting's rough, but I'm feeling a little bit of a sugar crash now. How about you?
Can you go for some ice cream?
ice cream. I think we need to hit up some snacks after Peter Pan. We're only about halfway. We still got like another 20 minutes, half hour. So check back in with you soon. We made it.
Yeah.
We're actually about to get on the ride. Woo. So, time check, what's our final time?
Final time is 11:07.
Yep, so it took 55 minutes exactly.
57 minutes. But yeah, close enough.
Okay, well they said 55 minutes and it took 55 minutes. Are you loving it?
It's very tasty.
We're finally sitting. We made it with Color Magic.
Yeah.
How you feeling sitting down?
Seats are the best.
But how do you really feel?
Yay.
At least the breeze is really nice. Woo! We've got a half hour until our lunch reservations.
Yeah.
So now what do we do?
I don't know.
We sit. We've done a lot of things so far this morning.
That's true. Very true.
We're walking into the castle for Be Our Guest.
Woo, you're a guest.
We checked in. I'm so excited. I think I'm way more excited than Mike is, but I'm pumped. I think he's excited because lunch is cheaper than breakfast and dinner for some reason, so. Update, it's 2 o'clock and it's raining in Orlando. We are completely soaked, just head to toe, but we brought raincoats. However, my shoes are not waterproof, so now my socks are completely wet, but we're made it into Space Mountain, so we're doing pretty good. Okay, real quick update, right Michael?
We're really wet.
Disney flooded. There are inches of water just everywhere, all over. Everything is wet, but we made it to Buzz Lightyear Star Command.
Tomorrow, just a dream away.
It's 7:55. Our fast pass.
7:05.
7:05. My bad. I was thinking, but our fast pass started at 6:55. So we're on a bus going into Magic Kingdom, and hopefully we make it before our Joker Cruise fast passes are gone.
We definitely shouldn't make it. If we don't, it's your fault.
I'm just hoping we make it. Magic Kingdom round 2. It's like 7:25?
7:24.
7:24, so we made it. We're in line right now for Fast Pass.
Great success.
You guys see what they did? Do you see what they did? They painted my Jeep blue. Mike, what do you think about Pecos Bill?
Very tasty.
Very tasty.
Very delicious. Very easy to get.
Looks like a mess, but that usually means that it tastes pretty good, right?
Super good.
Pirates of the Caribbean!
Arr.
Yarr! First bite? What do you think?
Oh, that is tart.
This is so good.
Hey, Cone.
Hey, hey, Cone. Hey, hey, hey.
Oh.
So, today we've had orange Dole Whip, we had vanilla ice cream,
And the lime Dole Whip, don't forget about that.
lime Dole Whip, we had the regular pineapple Dole Whip, and now the raspberry Dole Whip.
4 Dole Whips.
That's a pretty good day. Park closes in 4 minutes.
Ice cream.
I'm feeling pretty successful about today. We accomplished everything on my Magic Kingdom bucket list. How about you?
Yeah, I'm satisfied.
It's a good day.